Hey lovies, welcome to World History 101. My name is Stephanie Allen, and this course is a synchronous hybrid course. Let's go ahead and start navigating our Blackboard course shell. So as I stated earlier, this course is a synchronous hybrid class. So the entire class is online. It's fully online. However, 50% of instruction is going to occur in real time with me in Blackboard Collaborate sessions, and the other 50% of the course lecture will occur in pre-recorded lectures under the respective modules over here on the left-hand side of the page. So our synchronous sessions, we're going to try to stick to Tuesdays. So Tuesdays, that way we have some level of consistency within the course. So we'll meet on Tuesdays from 8 until 9:20. Welcome to History 101 Synchronous Hybrid. All assignments, so that goes from book quizzes, exams, writing assignments, discussion boards, everything is going to be completed online via Blackboard. The textbook can be purchased at the AAMU bookstore, or you may use the e-reserve copy that's available through the A&M library. So here are directions for how to access the textbook through A&M's e-reserve. There is your password, and of course, make sure you're clicking on Allen as the professor. Key terms are also included in each module, and they're designed to ensure that you are better able to organize your notes. I also include these little chapter outlines over here. In previous semesters, I've discovered that my kids prefer to utilize these chapter outlines to take notes. It helps them better organize their information. So those are your chapter outlines, and they are always available to you. All right, your syllabus is posted here. We'll go over all of this on the first day of class. This is important. So over on the left-hand side of the page, it says Blackboard Collaborate. This is how you're going to join our live sessions. So of course, you'll click here. It will always say the day of the week and the date. So you will not click course room. No bueno. You're going to click join session. Once you click join session, it will take you into the room, and we'll all join together and have a great class lecture on some relevant world history 101 topic. All right, this is a reminder that every single thing that you need is going to be in this course shell. So let's look at the modules really quickly. So modules are based on the chapters. So module 1, I click it, I see my learning outcomes, I see the key terms and concepts that are associated with chapter 1, and then I have all these lovely micro lectures with yours truly, Stephanie Allen, narrating and teaching, because I guess that's what I do, huh? Yeah. All right, so each one of your modules is going to be consistent. They're all set up the same way. So we've got, there's module 2. Look, same format, right? Same key terms, same learning outcomes. Your quizzes will be posted as we go. So quizzes will also be found under the corresponding module. Exams will be posted under the exam tab. And in case you forget how to access the book, it's there again as well. All right, lovies, I look forward to seeing you in class for our first live session and every Tuesday after that. I hope you're having a great day. I love you unconditionally. Bye.